Topic: Examination of animal raw materials in accordance with regulatory documents. Lecture 8. Lecture Plan 1. A veterinary sanitary doctor. 2. Basic terms and definitions. A veterinary sanitary doctor is a specialist who ensures the quality and safety of food products, animal and plant origin, during their production, storage, export and import, and he is also responsible for the sanitary protection of the borders of the region in which he conducts his professional activities. Raw materials, ingredients, processing aids, and packaging materials are the foundation of finished food products. As such, they must meet regulatory requirements, safe and legal for your intended use, and your specifications contribute to the functionality and quality of your process and product. Historically, research and development worked alone when selecting a new raw material. But now a broad team of expertise is needed, due to increased access to unique and complex materials, global sourcing, handling methods, customer locations, and regulations. The team assesses if the material has limitations or may be too costly to handle, and determines if additional measures are necessary to prevent potential safety issues for the employees and product. Traditional roles. A description of team responsibilities helps in the understanding of the diverse expertise needed to identify key raw material characteristics. Research and development, R&D, invents the finished product to meet the customer's expectations. Quality ensures that the programs and practices will result in finished product that is safe, is legal, and meets the company standards as well as specifications outlined by R&D. Production, from receiving to shipping, handles the raw materials and in-process and finished product in an appropriate manner, including equipment capability, to ensure the finished product is safe, is legal, and meets R&D's specifications. Sales works with R&D and the customer to define and negotiate an acceptable product with an affiliated price point. Basic terms and definitions. The following terms and their definitions are used in these rules. Anthropozoonosis is a contagious disease common to animals and humans. Safety of products of animal origin. A set of properties of products of animal origin, in which it is not harmful and does not represent danger to the life and health of present and future generations under normal conditions of its use. Free zone. The territory where the official veterinary control, as a result of which no cases of contagious quarantine diseases were registered. Slaughterhouse. Slaughterhouse, meat processing plant, slaughterhouse, point, of a poultry farm and etc., an organization engaged in the slaughter of animals, their cutting, storage and sale. Slaughter products, veterinary inspection, verification of the production and circulation of animal products' origin, in order to assess their compliance with veterinary and sanitary requirements. Veterinary branding, the application by an official veterinarian of an imprint of the appropriate veterinary brand or stamp on a carcass, half carcass, quarter and other slaughter products based on the results of a veterinary and sanitary examination. Veterinary and sanitary examination, vets Anexpertiser, a set of special studies to assess the safety and good quality of products of animal origin. Humane treatment of animals. The conditions of keeping, care and use of animals, under which there are no functional and morphological abnormalities that can cause pathological changes in their body or change the indicators of the veterinary and sanitary quality received from them. Products that do not meet acceptable levels. Disinfection, an event aimed at the destruction of pathogenic and conditionally pathogenic microorganisms on various objects that can be directly or indirectly contaminated in the production of meat and meat products. Good quality. The absence of signs of spoilage in products of animal origin. Rotting, oxidation, rancidity, salting, fermentation, molding, etc. Stripping, removal of blood clots from the outer and inner surface of the carcass and internal organs. Diaphragm, fringes, bruises, abscesses, impurities, other pathological or unusual carcass and internal organs changes. Insulator, an isolated room on the territory of the sanitary block of a slaughterhouse, under veterinary supervision, to accommodate sick animals. Quarantine, veterinary, a complex of special veterinary and sanitary and organizational and economic measures aimed at localizing and preventing the spread contagious animal diseases and their eradication. Veterinary, veterinary and sanitary, requirements to production facilities that carry out procurement, slaughter of animals, storage, processing and sale products and raw materials of animal origin. 1. General provisions. These veterinary and sanitary requirements for production facilities engaged in the procurement, slaughter of animals, storage, processing and sale of products and raw materials of animal origin, hereinafter referred to as the requirements, are developed in accordance with subparagraph 18-2 of Article 5 of the Law of the Republic of Kazakhstan dated July 10, 2002, on veterinary medicine, and define veterinary and sanitary requirements for production facilities engaged in the procurement, slaughter of animals, storage, processing and sale of products and raw materials of animal origin, to ensure the safety of products and raw materials of animal origin in accordance with the legislation of the Republic of Kazakhstan in the field of veterinary medicine. Food safety and technical regulation. 2. The administration of production facilities that slaughter animals, with the exception of slaughter sites, process and sell products and raw materials of animal origin, in accordance with the law of the Republic of Kazakhstan on veterinary medicine, creates production control units to determine the compliance of animals, products and raw materials of animal origin with veterinary standards. 3. Production facilities engaged in the procurement, slaughter of animals, storage and processing of products and raw materials of animal origin, hereinafter referred to as the production facility, are assigned registration numbers in accordance with the decree of the Government of the Republic of Kazakhstan dated November 4, 2009 No. 1755, on approval of the rules for assigning accounting numbers for production facilities engaged in raising animals, harvesting, slaughtering, storing, processing and selling animals, products and raw materials of animal origin, as well as organizations for the production, storage and sale of veterinary drugs, feed and feed additives. 4. Animals entering for slaughter, as well as products and raw materials of animal origin entering for processing, storage and sale, are accompanied by accompanying veterinary documents confirming their safety, origin and quality. 5. When commissioning production facilities, as well as installing technological equipment or lines or releasing new types of meat, dairy, fish, products, the facility must obtain a veterinary and sanitary conclusion issued in the manner established by the government of the Republic of Kazakhstan. Conclusion: veterinary and sanitary examination of food products in the process stage of its production, manufacturing, is carried out at all stages of the technological process and related processes of packaging and labeling, as well as intra-production storage, transportation of food products. To the process stage of turnover, according to the rules, only food products that have passed veterinary and sanitary examination are allowed. Veterinary and sanitary examination of food products when importing, and exporting food products from the territory of the Republic of Kazakhstan is carried out by state laboratories of veterinary and sanitary examination. List of literature for the study. Thank you for your attention.